The National Football League welcomes you to the Pepsi Super Bowl 54 halftime show.
The empires of the world unite. We are alive, and the stars make love to the universe. And you touch me, and I'm like.
Chambean pero no hablan. Tú compras todas las Jordan, a mí me las regalan. I spend in the club, what you have in the bank. This is the new religion bank. Latino gang, yeah, yeah. Pa' todas el dieta, para que en casa tengan mucha grasa. La muda la Gucci pa' dentro de casa, yeah. Manín, a ti no te conocen ni en plaza. El diablo me llama, pero Jesucristo me abraza. Guerrero como Eddie, que viva la raza, yeah.
Tú eres puro, puro chantaje, puro, puro chantaje. Vas libre como el aire, no soy de ti ni de nadie. Tú eres puro, puro chantaje, puro, puro chantaje.
Mucha rumba y bebida, gozándose la vida como es.
Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise and keep on reading the signs on my body. Come on tonight, come on, Miami. Come on tonight, put your hands in the air, put your hands in the air, come on. Hey, 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 hey. Baby, this is perfection. No fighting. Gracias. Miami, are you ready? From in living color to movie scripts to all the six to J, know to this clips. I stay grounded as the amounts roll in. I'm real, I thought I told you. I'm really no bruh. That's just me. Nothing phony, don't hate on me. What you get is what you see. Don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. I'm still Jenny from the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter where I go, we from the Bronx, New York. Ain't that funny, baby, that you want me? You had me, love is crazy. Huh, let's get it. You're looking just a little too hard at me. Standing just a little too close to me. You're shaking not quite enough to me. You're sipping just a little too slow for me. No doubt you play it real cool, homie. Got me thinking, what is it you do for me? Tripping a little more than I should be. So let yourself go and get right with me. Get right. You're alright. We can get right. We can get right. Say you got me. We can get, say say oh yeah. We can get like a movie scene in the sweetest dreams. Now you pictured us together. Now to feel your lips on my fingertips, have to say is even better than I ever thought it could possibly be. It's perfect, it's passion, it's setting me free from all of the sadness, the tears that I've cried. I have spent all of my life waiting for tonight, when you would be here in my arms, waiting for tonight. Oh, I dreamed of this love for so long.
Qué calor, en la discoteca, qué calor. Y acá para la muñeca, qué calor. En la discoteca, qué calor. Para la muñeca. Latino gang. J Balvin, man. Medellín, come on. esquina a esquina, y ahí nos vamos. El mundo es grande, pero lo tengo en mis manos. Estoy muy duro, sí, ok, ahí vamos. Y con el tiempo nos seguimos elevando y ya, que seguimos rompiendo aquí. Ya, esta fiesta no tiene fin y ya, ok, ya para arriba, sí, los tengo bailando. ¿Y dónde está mi gente? Soy Miami, lo tiro que. ¿Y dónde está mi gente? 1, 2, 3.
Let me introduce you to my party people in the club. If you go hard, you gotta get on the floor. If you're a party freak, step on the floor. If you're an animal, then tear up the floor. Break the sweat on the floor. Yeah, we work on the floor. Don't stop, keep it moving, put your drinks up. La 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 la. Tonight we gon' be on the floor. La 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 la. Tonight we gon' be on the floor. If you wanna live your life, live it all the way and don't you waste it. Every feeling, every beat can be so very sweet, you gotta taste it. Let's get loud, let's get loud. Turn the music up, let's do it. Come on people, let's get loud. Let's get loud. Latinos, born in the USA. Let's get loud. Ladies, let's get loud. 'Cause I wanna live my life. Let's get loud. Ain't nobody gotta tell you what you gotta do. No, no. Everybody over here, let's get right here. Let's get. Samina mina, waka waka, Samina mina, sangalewa, anawa, Samina mina, waka waka, Samina mina, sangalewa, anawa, let's get Muchas gracias. Thank you so much.
The National Football League thanks you for watching the Pepsi Super Bowl 54 halftime show.